duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," but only four came waddling back. Four little ducks went on a spree, waddling by the old oak tree. Mother duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," but only three came waddling back. Where'd they go? All quack, quack, gone. Mother duck waits till the dawn. Her heart breaks and tears roll down. She just wants her quacks back home. Three little ducks found a sunny spot, playing games till it got hot. Mother duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," but only two came waddling back. Two little ducks splashed in the brook, hid away in a secret nook. Mother duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," but only one came waddling back. One little duck felt all alone, lost without those little quack tones.